South side of Sylvania, Cougars hosting Bowling Green. Sean Millington, tough drive, gets the bucket off glass. It's a 4-point lead for the home team. Bobcats rally though. Isaiah Cook pulls up, knocks down the elbow jumper off glass. Bobcats leading at the break. Third quarter, Ryan Jackson out to Nate Kress. Eyes it, flies it, three is good. It's a 4-point lead for the visitors, but then Millington putting the Cougars on his back on the fast break, finds the extra gear, lays it in. It's a 7-point lead, but the Bobcats have another comeback left in them. Minute and a half to go. Jake Amspoker, the deep three, makes it just a 1-point game, but Southview holds on for the 57-54 victory. Millington doing it offensively as well as defensively. 2 big blocks in the final minute in the win.
Yeah, it kind of was. They had a ball screen. They popped, 5 popped up, but the first time it was 11 that popped up. But yeah, it was pretty similar plays both times. So I told one of our coaches before the last one, I said, I'm either making a steal or I'm getting a block. And it happened that I was on the man that shot the last shot of the game, and I happened to block it.